everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video we have a testing video. I really enjoy doing these, and if you watched my previous video, which was a beauty haul, you'll see that I bought these. The Mark Hill Pick a Mix handle thing. I'm going to see if it's a dupe for the Mollymae waiver set because they're so expensive, and this was like £30 I think, and look at all the handles you can get for this. So if this is good, then we're saving some coin, and also these are like £15 each, which is really good. This was like £30 and it was 3 for 2, so I got another thing as well. But we're just going to be testing this in today's video to see if I can wave my hair. It's going to take me back having wavy hair again, but if it looks anything like this, I'll be chuffed. But my hair is quite thin and short, so I'm not going to look like Mollymae. I thought it'd be interesting for me to try it on camera, give you honest first impressions, and if it works for me, then I promise it'll work for you because I am crap with hair. First impressions, honest review, let's see if it works.
What a wonderful...
I'm not gonna lie, I haven't even looked at the instructions, so we may be here a while. Oh, 2 gloves. Huh? Why does this glove only have 3 fingers? I'm so confused. Ah, that's quite clever. I don't know what I'm doing. I really should read the instructions, but I just can't be bothered to sit and read it, so I'm just gonna try and figure it out. Can't be that hard, surely. That was so easy. Is it getting hot? How do I know if it's... How do I know if it's on?
A few minutes later.
I've just been here for like 2 minutes figuring out how you know if it's on. I've not even plugged it in. Okay, so it lights up. I don't know how you know if it's on, but I'm just gonna go and get some heat protectant because we don't want to damage my hair any more than it already is. I need a mirror. I'm gonna put this here. Also, this is the first hair video I've ever done on my channel, so enjoy the madness. Oh god, I should be wearing my glasses for this, but anyways, how... I'm just burnt my neck. How do you do it? This is a big device. I'm gonna have to watch a video. 1 second. I've just watched a video and I'm just going to do smaller sections. How long do you hold it for? I don't know. Has that done anything? It's made me feel really faint. Okay. Not bad for my first go. I don't know if I'm doing it right. So now we're going to get another tiny section. I'm not sure what the Mollymae one is like, but the first impressions of this is it's annoying how small of a section you need to take of your hair. I don't put time into my hair. Do you think that long bit will go in? We'll give it a go. Okay, that went in a lot easier. I can never do the bottom of my hair. I feel like I'm crimping my hair. Is that a wave? I mean, it's a flat wave. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it for longer this time and see how wavy it actually gets. Right, I'm gonna hold it for 15 seconds. Oh baby, make the girls go crazy, go. Look how many different colours are in my hair. It's not really Mollymae, is it? It's a good job I've got this on heat protected matte because it's just started bloody coming up in flames. Oh, this is so easy to burn yourself on. Honestly, if you're clumsy like me. So hot. I need a drink. I think I'm gonna faint. Also, I'm using this on day 2 here. Yeah, I washed my hair 2 days ago. I think it definitely helps to straighten it. If I use this after I wash my hair, I think my hair would just be huge. I can never curl my hair on the same day that I've washed it. Some of these bits are already waved. Never mind. You're going in. Oh, that's so cute. My hair's gonna be huge. It's gonna look like a big pop triangle. I don't know how far up to do it. Let's just wing it like we do with everything else on this channel. I've definitely got used to it the more I've used it. I'm gonna pin it back like that, and we're gonna do the other side. Hopefully it don't take as long as this has. So that only took 10 minutes, only. That's quite a while, but that's not too bad. Quite like it. It's different. Don't ask. Dance with me in my backyard, boy, look, it's fun. I think the Mollymae one is for hair that's a lot thicker. Oh, I just bit my ear. And for the final piece, I remember one day I crimped my hair for school, but with the straighteners. Oh my god, it was the most horrendous thing ever. Okay, that side definitely hasn't gone the same as this side. Do you brush it out? What have I done? I'm just going to put some smoothing serum on it so it doesn't look as frizzy. But there's so many bits at the back that I've missed. Oh, look how red my neck is. That's going to be lovely. So that is the waver. What are we thinking? Essentially it is only £15, so for £15 I actually think that's really good, and for how hot the handle gets as well. I also got this one, which is an ellipse waver, so I'm intrigued to see what that one's going to be like. But what a great idea, what a great invention. A handle and then you put your own thing, your own ends on it. So I actually do think that's really good. Would I use it again? I feel like I need to practice with it. Whether I'd actually use it frequently, I'm not too sure. It is quite time consuming, and also you never know if it's actually going to go right until you get the full hang of it. But anyway, if we're talking about the wand, I actually think it's really good. £15, it's a bargain. Is it a dupe for the Mollymae one? Not too sure. I think the barrel is a lot bigger for the Mollymae one, so you can get a lot more hair in it, so the waves are bigger. But if you want the cheaper version and still want waved hair, this is definitely an option. Bit of a different video, but I do enjoy these testing videos just to see what products are like. Like I say, if I can use it, you can use it as well, because I'm bloody useless. If you've got any video suggestions of what you'd like to see, then please leave them in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye. For the Mollymae, I can't speak. Bra strap. I want to find out what, I don't know what I was going to say. I can't speak. It's like a microphone.